All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my TJ Watt Badger full-size helmet. This is the main. So we'll check the time, January 21st at 9:32 p.m. We'll go over to the main and type live. And we have January 21st at 9:32 p.m. There's the list of our 25 entries with our mini spots filled in. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Evan. Spot 7 is your winner. So Evan, please PM me to collect your TJ. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, January 21st, 9:32 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.